EnergyWave isn't just hype, it's science-backed. Dr. Bryant, one of our leading scientists, just completed a live demonstration in Malaysia, and the results. See real-time results, science-backed explanations, and the powerful impact of our wellness technology.
Watch Dr. Bryant's demonstration at www.u-ww.com.
We are not guessing. We are delivering safe and sound relief around the globe. That's why doctors, wellness coaches, and biohackers around the world are backing EnergyWave. Real solutions. Real business opportunity. Real money for affiliates.
Click the link below and start building your financial future today.